Hey guys, this is Darren over here at Horne Auto Center, the Chevy store that shaves you more in Shoalo, Arizona. Today we're going to be talking about the importance of brake maintenance. The brake system of your vehicle is by far the most important safety system that it has. Being able to slow down or stop at a moment's notice will help to avoid an incident or accident. Improperly working brakes will not do the job they are designed to do and will not be as effective when needed, especially in a panic stop situation. Brakes should be regularly inspected. We recommending having your trusted Horne Auto Center regularly test drive the vehicle to see how the brake system functions. Then also perform an actual visual inspection, measuring pad and shoe thickness, check for even wear of the pads and shoes, check rotors for run out and hot spots, check hardware to make sure it is working properly and that it is adjusted properly. Make sure the wheel cylinders, brake lines, and brake master cylinders are not leaking, inspect the calipers for wear, free movement, and fluid leaks, and check the level and conditions of the brake fluid. Inspect for proper routing and placement of the brake and anti-lock brake sensors. All these components need to be in good shape and working properly for the vehicle to have 100% brake system effectiveness while driving. For instance, something that seems simple is the brake fluid. It can get contaminated over time with absorption of moisture and copper. This can decrease the effectiveness of the hydraulics within your brake system, causing a less responsive brake pedal to the touch or feel, therefore causing a slight delay or reduction in braking power. We recommend having your brake system inspected with each oil change or at a minimum of every 6 months or about 6,000 miles. Then if the inspection reveals any issues with the brake system for your own safety and the safety of others, have it repaired to keep the brake system of your vehicle operating at a 100% effectiveness. If you guys have any questions or concerns about your brakes, if they're chattering or if they're squeaking, just go to horneautocenter.com or give us a call today to schedule an appointment and we'll get you in. Thanks for watching, guys. This is Darren at Horne Auto Center, the Chevy store that saves you more in Shoalo, Arizona. Please like, comment, and share, and we'll see you soon.